Hello guys! In this tutorial, we'll show you the process of creating your distribution certificate. Go to Apple Developer and click on Account. Enter your Apple ID and click on arrow icon. Enter your password and click on arrow icon. Complete the two-factor authentication process by entering the verification code you have received on your registered mobile number. This is your Apple Developer dashboard. Go to Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles section. You can even go to Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles sections by clicking on the option present on the left-hand panel. Click on the plus icon or Create Certificate to proceed. Select iOS Distribution, App Store, and add HOC option under Software and click on Continue. Click on Choose File option to upload .csr certificate. Select the .csr certificate and click on Open to upload it. Once done, click on Continue. Finally, on Download to download the distribution certificate to your device. Now click on All Certificates to go back to Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles section. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the submission process. Thanks for watching.